Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to today's Korean 101 grammar video lecture. Today's topic is about past tense that describes past events. So the form would be 엇, 앗, 상시옷, 어요. 상시옷 받침 and 어요 would be most commonly used. Okay, let's look into the content. 엇, 앗, 상시옷 indicates that the event described has already taken place. So this is a way to show past tense. Notice that the final ending after 엇, 앗, 상시옷 is always 어요, not 아요. Okay? So 어요, 어요, 어요. Okay, let's look at some specific example. A says 어제 뭐 했어요? Yesterday, what did you do? 학교 수영장에서 at school swimming pool 수영했어요. I swam. 아, 그래요? Oh, really? 저는 테니스 쳤어요. I played tennis. Okay. So let me show you how it is conjugated. First, you see this basic format, which is dictionary format, right? 좋다, good. First, apply polite ending. In order to apply polite ending, you divide it into stem and ending, right? And you delete the ending here. Since this stem's ending ends with o, you go for io, right? Instead of oil. And then from here, delete the ending 요, and then add 상시옷 받침 and oil. So the final product would be 좋았어요. The pronunciation would be 좋았어요, because this 상시옷 받침 carries over, right? Let's look at another example. Here we have 전화하다, right? 전화하다 is made up of noun 전화 plus 하다. And we learned that when we just see 하다 and applying polite ending, we immediately go for 전화해요. So 하다 just becomes 해요, right? And then same applies. Delete the final ending 요 and add 상시옷 받침 to this, and then add oil. So the final product would be 전화했어요. I called. Okay, 전화했어요. I called. So let's look at some other examples. So here we have 6 expressions. First of all, we would have to divide it into stem and ending. And first apply polite ending. 먹다 becomes 먹어요. 가다 becomes 가요. 크다 becomes 커요. 일어나다 becomes 일어나요. 배우다 becomes 배워요. 바쁘다 becomes 바빠요. Right? And then what you do is cross out all the 요. Okay? The ending. Right? And then put the 상시옷 받침 and 어요. Add 어요. So finally we have 먹, 엇, 어요, right? And then 갔어요, 컸어요, 일어났어요, 배웠어요, 바빴어요. Okay, but here's an exception. Unfortunately, I mean, this existential be, 이다, always is a problem, right? In 어요, I applied ending, we also saw that it was an exception. So when it ends in consonant, it is 이에요. When it ends in vowel, it was 예요. And in past tense, it would be 이었어요 and 였어요. So if we apply the same rule as these expressions to these exceptions, we can't really derive the result we want. So let's say we just, for the sake of experiment, let's just look how it is done if we apply the rule. So 이다, right? 이다 becomes 이에요 in this case, and delete 요. Let's add 상시옷 and 어요. How would it become? 이에요. 어요. And this is not the same, right? So that's why this is called exception. And same goes for here. So delete yo, add 상시옷 and 어요. This would become yet 어요, which is not what we get in the real usages. 였어요. So if you are confused, just forget this rules. Just remember that when we are dealing with 비이다, we would have to go for 이었어요, 였어요. Okay? And same is for these counterpart. 아니다, 이다, 아니다. Not be, right? In polite ending, it would become 아니에요. For past tense, it would become 아니었어요. Okay? Yeah. All right. So, let's look at some conversations. A says, 지금 뭐 해요? What are you doing right now? And B says, 텔레비전을 봐요. But if it happened yesterday, we would have to change the form, right? So, A asks, 어제 뭐 했어요? What did you do yesterday? And you did the same thing, watching TV. 텔레비전을 봤어요. So how would you go from 봐요 to 봤어요? 봐요, delete 요, add 상시옷 받침엔 요. So becomes 봤어요. 봤어요. Yeah. Okay, now A asks 지금 뭐 해요? What are you doing right now? 테니스를 쳐요. I'm playing tennis. If you played tennis yesterday, A would ask 어제 뭐 했어요? Yeah, and B would have to say 테니스를 쳤어요. I guess I'll skip the explaining the how it's right. Okay. And 지금 뭐 해요? 수영해요. I'm swimming right now. If you swam yesterday, 어제 뭐 했어요? And you would have to say 수영했어요. 지금 뭐 해요? 음악을 들어요. I'm listening to music. If it happened yesterday, 어제 뭐 했어요? 음악을 들었어요. Okay, so that's it. See you in the class.